Hey guys, welcome back to the quiz show by KidsEx. In today's video, you will get a lot of knowledge about social media history. You will find 50 questions about social media history. But before we start, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and write down your score in the comment down. Let's get started. Question number 1. What was the name of the first social media site launched in 1997? Friendster, MySpace or 6 Degrees? The answer is 6 Degrees. Question number 2. You know what was the original name of Twitter before it was changed in 2006? Option A is the right answer. Number 3. What was the name of the viral dance challenge that originated on TikTok in 2019? Renegade Dance is the right answer. Question number 4. You know what was the name of the first video uploaded on YouTube in 2005? Me at the Zoo is the first video uploaded on YouTube. Number 5. What was the name of the photo sharing app that was acquired by Facebook in 2012? Snapchat, Pinterest or Instagram? Instagram is the right answer. Number 6. You know what was the name of the social networking site that was popular among musicians and artists in 2000s? MySpace is the right answer. Number 7. You know what was the name of the feature that Twitter introduced in 2015 that allowed users to broadcast live videos? And the answer is Periscope. You know what was the name of the messaging app that was launched by Google in 2013 and discontinued in 2019? It was Allo. Number 9. What was the name of the social media platform that was created by the founders of Vine in 2019? That was Byte. Question number 10. What was the name of the challenge that involved people dumping a bucket of ice water on themselves for charity in 2014? It was a very famous challenge and it is Ice Bucket Challenge. You know what was the name of the social media campaign that encouraged women to post selfies without makeup in 2014? #NoMakeup. Number 12. You know what was the name of the social networking site that was launched in 2004 and aimed at college students? It's Facebook. What was the name of the short form video app that was launched in 2013 and shut down in 2017? It was Vine. You know what was the name of the social media platform that was launched by Microsoft in 2012 and aimed at students? Suchi, option B is the right answer. Number 15. What was the name of the feature that Instagram introduced in 2016 that allow users to share photos and videos that disappear after 24 hours? Stories is the right answer. Number 16. What was the name of the social networking site that was popular among teenagers and young adults in 2000? Bebo is the right answer. Question number 17. What was the name of the app that was launched by Facebook in 2014 and allowed users to send anonymous messages to their friends? That was Rooms. Number 18. What was the name of the social media campaign that involved people posting videos of themselves dancing to Drake songs In My Feelings in 2018? #In My Feelings Challenge. Number 19. What was the name of the social media platform that was launched by Google in 2011 and shut down in 2019? That was Google+. Number 20. What was the name of the feature that Snapchat introduced in 2014 that allowed users to send money to each other? Snapcash, Snapcoin or Snapmoney? Snapcash is the right answer. Number 21. What was the name of the social media platform that was launched by Yahoo in 2005 and allowed users to create and join online communities? Yahoo Groups, Yahoo Messengers or Yahoo Answers? Yahoo Groups is the right answer. You know what was the name of the feature that LinkedIn introduced in 2012 that allowed users to endorse each other for their skills? That was endorsements. You know what was the name of the social media platform that was launched by Twitter in 2015 and allowed users to create and join live videos conversation? That was Blab. What was the name of the social media platform that was launched by AOL in 1997 and allowed users to create and customize their own web pages? GeoCities is the right answer. Number 25. What was the name of the feature that Facebook introduced in 2009 that allowed users to express their feelings or activities with a short phrase? Status is the right answer. Number 26. What was the name of the social media platform that was launched by Google in 2004 and allowed users to create and share blogs? Blogger is the right answer. You know what was the name of the social media campaign that involved people posting videos of themselves doing random acts of kindness in 2013? Hashtag random acts of kindness. Number 29. What was the name of the social media platform that was launched by Pinterest in 2015 and allowed users to create and join interest-based communities? Pinster is the right answer. What was the name of the feature that Twitter introduced in 2017 that allowed users to tweet up to 280 characters instead of 140? Extended tweets is the right answer. Number 31. What was the name of the social media platform that was launched by Reddit in 2014 and allowed users to create and join live videos conversation? Reddit Live is the right answer. What was the name of the feature that Instagram introduced in 2018 that allowed users to ask and answer questions on their stories? Questions is the right answer. Number 33. What was the name of the social media platform that was launched by LinkedIn in 2015 and allowed users to create and share professional slideshows? SlideShare is the right answer. You know which social media platform was launched in 2003 and become one of the most popular sites for musicians to share their music and connect with fans? MySpace is the right answer. You know what is the name of the first ever tweet posted by Twitter co-founder Jack Dorsey on March 21, 2006? That was just setting up my Twitter. Which social media platform introduced the concept of stories in 2013, allowing users to post ephemeral photos or videos that disappear after 24 hours? Snapchat is the right answer. You know which social media platform was originally called the Facebook and required a valid college email address to join? Facebook is the right answer. Number 38. Which social media platform was founded by 3 former PayPal employees in 2005 and now it's a famous video sharing website? It's called YouTube. Number 39. Which social media platform is known for its short-form videos, viral challenges, and popular dances and was formerly called Musical.ly? It's a TikTok. Number 40. Which social media platform is a photo sharing app that allows users to apply filters and effects to their pictures and was acquired by Facebook for $1 billion in 2012? It's Instagram. Which social media platform is a professional networking site that allows users to create profiles, upload resumes, and connect with other professionals and employers? It's called LinkedIn. Number 43. Which social media platform is a social news aggregation and discussion site that is divided into thousands of communities called subreddits? Reddit is the right answer. Number 44. Which social media platform was created by Evan Williams and Bill Stone in 2007 as a spin-off from another blogging site? Twitter is the right answer. Which social media platform is a pinboard style site that allows users to create and share collections of images, videos, and links on various topics? Pinterest is the right answer. Number 46. Which social media platform is a live streaming service that allows users to broadcast and watch video games, music, sports, other content? Which is the right answer? Number 47. Which social media platform is a Chinese-owned app that allow users to create and share short videos with music, filters, stickers, and other effects? It's TikTok. Number 49. Which social media platform is a question and answer site that allow users to ask, answer, edit, and organize questions on various topics? It's Quora. And the last question, which social media platform is a photo and video sharing app that allow users to send self-destructing messages that disappear after a few seconds? It's Snapchat is the right answer. Hope you got a lot of knowledge about social media history. Don't forget to write down your score in the comment down.